Hey everyone, I'm back with my new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about my today's schedule and what I have planned for today. Just to tell you that for yesterday I have finished my social media marketing project and submitted it to for marking for grades and all. As I can see myself, my productivity is not that good because as we can see that we all have 24 hours in a day, and everyone have 24 hours in a day, but still some people gets rich in that only 24 hours, and some people even unable to earn even 1,000 rupees per day. So what is the reason behind this? And yesterday I have noticed that the thing that makes a big difference, that is productivity, that how much productive you are in your whole day. Okay, because everyone have just 24 hours. So to improve my productivity, I'm going to order a whiteboard on which I will write all my goals and schedules for that particular day, and after that I will work on it. Okay, because productivity matters a lot, and to being a successful person, to being a richest person, you should write your goals, your targets, and how you will achieve it. Just break that targets in small portions and then try to achieve that, and then only you will reach at that target until you can't. So for that reason I'm ordering that whiteboard. Okay, and also I have ordered a book from Flipkart, and it will reach on 9th of June, so I will show you after 2 days. Okay, so wait for it. It's already 6:20 a.m. Okay, in the morning, and I have completed my exercises for today because and also because of lack of time I unable to finish many of my exercises, and maybe I feel a little bit demotivated whole day because as I have already told you in my previous videos that my favorite one, the tried one, I always do that, but because of lack of time I unable to do it. But it's okay, I keep myself motivated. Let's see what will going to be happen today, because I have to learn a lot of things related to digital marketing, and because of this hectic internship of 13 hours a day, don't get much time to learn for digital marketing, don't get much time to give to digital marketing and learn about it, to explore about it. But I have a great passion for it, and also it has a lot of scope in future, so I have to give anyhow my time and dedication to it. So I am speaking in English because we have to be means digital marketers, we have to deal with foreign clients in future, so we should be comfortable and fluent in English to communicate with them, because when we can't express our words in front of them, express our feelings, we can't communicate in front of them in English, in fluent English even. So we don't think, we can't think that we get a good job. Okay, so that's the reason I'm trying to speak in English and comfortable with that. And it is also a good for me because I am learning a lot of things, and also I am reading a lot of books as I love reading, and I have already finished a lot of books also. So I will make a video on this also in future, but for today it's I'm going for my home because it's already getting late for me. ओके, सो मिलते हैं हम अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक कीप वॉचिंग, कीप लर्निंग एंड कीप एक्सप्लोरिंग।